What is the derivative of the exponential e to the x power? E to the x is indestructible. It doesn't go away. E to the x prime equals e to the x. Period. End of story. E to the x prime equals x times e to the x minus 1. This is wrong. Let's see the right way to do that. X squared prime would be equal to 2 times x to the 2 minus 1 power. That's correct. X is a variable. 2. The number is the exponent. So you would take the derivative by placing the exponent in front of the variable x as a coefficient and then subtracting 1 from the exponent in the exponent position. That's the correct way to do it. But this is wrong because e to the x, e is a number, x is the exponent. So we don't do it the same way. X times e to the x minus 1 power is wrong. Once again, top part is right, bottom part is wrong. So the derivative of e to the x equals e to the x. How does that happen? So e to the x equals e to the x, and we're going to use the chain rule. The chain rule is the answer. Well, we take the inner, which is the exponent, take the exponent, that's the inner function, and we multiply e to the x times the derivative of the inner, in this case the exponent. And the derivative of x is 1. E to the x times 1 is e to the x. What about e to the radical x prime? What does that equal? We'll use the same method. First we start with e to the radical x. Then we multiply that times the derivative of radical x, which is rewritten as x to the 1/2 power. Now we'll take the derivative, and that's 1/2 times x to the 1/2 minus 2/2 power. That gives me negative 1/2. So e to the radical x times 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Let's put that up at the top. And now what does that become? Well, let's rewrite this. X to the negative 1/2 power can be rewritten as 1 over x to the positive 1/2 power. Move that up to the top. Now, let's rewrite this whole thing as x to the 1/2. Let's just rewrite it as radical x in the denominator. And now let's multiply 1/2 times 1 over radical x, and we get 1 over 2 radical x. And now we multiply e to the radical x times 1 over 2 radical x, and we get e to the radical x over 2 radical x. And that's our answer. Logically yours, George Boole.